siya kay umatong itikli ka kaya't abot ko libing na lae na inagpirukin ay mabukuda kanyak na ikitin tumay na sakin inday tuy rumbi ang kadais intaan araminin diyak may tulen pa na inabuyain panagluana gabukan niyak lain diyak ito no sa empty lang aming to kapulakin ayan pinulot ko ang lunes nagbalina ka naruko nagpaadipenti saan ko abot ko palubusan ka na isot ay subyana pusukin na rin na iso adaan karpinga awan titinggil ko amagikutken ka do dilatoy ayan nga inagin paring na diyak maibto no sa empty lang aming to kapulakin ayan binulot ko ang lunes nagbalina ka naruko nagpaadipenti saan ko abot ko ayun, shoutout po pala kay Sir Erwin Cabang from Ilocos Sur. Ayan, shoutout po. Lupay na sa inay titiruin among adakis intaan araminin diyak may dureta na inapuyain panagluana gabukan niyak lain diyak maibto no sa empty lang aming to kapulakin ayan binulot ko ang lunes nagbalina ka naruko nagpaadipenti saan ko abot ko diyak maibto no sa empty lang aming to kapulakin ayan binulot ko ang lunes nagbalina ka naruko nagpaadipenti saan ko abot ko ayan, kumusta na po Sir Erwin Cabang from Ilocos Sur. So shout out kada kayo amin na ayat nga mangbuyan. So ato pa no. Buti na lang andyan si Sir Erwin Cabang. sino ka man. Far across the blue waters, away over yonder, by the banks of that old river Rhine, where I love her, I love her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, look up towards the heavens each night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein. Ayan, madamdama, Sir Wen. When my memories wander away over yonder to the sweet heart that I left behind, in a moment of glory, a face comes before me. The face of my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, walk down by the river, pretend that your head holding mine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, walk down by the river, pretend that your hands holding mine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein. Ayan, shoutout po pala kay kay Sir Klein Ballad. Ayan, shoutout. Ganun din po kay Reyna, no? Reyna Ballad. Okay, shoutout sa lahat-lahat na pamilya po ni Sir Klein Ballad from Tanza, Tugigaraw, Cagayan. Shoutout din po kay Sir Alexander Limon. Saka ganun din po kay Sir Ricky. Okay. Ayan si Sir Klein Ballad. Hello. Namimiss na yata kita.
Polident Adhesive Cream. May up to 12-hour hold. Gum comfort.
Ayan, hindi ko alam kung namimiss mo ako o namimiss kita. Ayan. So, thank you sa lahat-lahat po na nanonood. Sir, Erwin Kamang, pasensya na sa iyong request. Baka meron pa po kayong ibang request, Sir Erwin Kamang. got close to when she puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Ayan, namimiss daw ako. Mr. Clean Ballad. Thank you, thank you. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Wow, thank you Sir Reiki from Pinupok, Alcala, Cagayan. It's time to go home now, and I got an itching head, so I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Ayan, so thank you. So ito, may request ulit si Sir Erwin Kabang from Ilocos. Okay, so ito na po.
Crushed it? Yes, crunch it. You deserve Lay's.
So sa lahat po na gustong
Sa buntis, maraming hindi pwede. Pero ang By Jessic,
yung mga gustong
pwede.
manood,
Kahit sa walang laman ng tiyan.
pwede na po kayong magbukas ng cellphone. As I write this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I've heard that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Whatever did we part? I need leisurely. Those thoughts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I've heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Whatever did we part? My love, whatever did we part? Grabe, di ba? Okay. So, ito, para sa lahat-lahat na nanonood ngayong May 7, 2026. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are, I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've sold at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Oh, wala pang kamay. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've shared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. mine. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Whoa. Ayan si Glenn, ballad, huwag ka muna matulog, no? Baka sakaling may gift ka. Kaya nga dapat tapusin mo. You to believe, no questions in the air, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count on you every time. You is my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Ayan, sagot ko pala kay Ma'am Jackie Jose Montenegro. Saka po si Ma'am Lloyd Taduque Binavista from Barangay Kalantakal, Cagayan. Thank you, Madam, sa mga suporta niyo po sa panunood at pakikinig. Ayan, kakakanta ako ng Ilocano. Ilocano. Ayan. Sabi ko matang kayo nga mumumang kakabsat, no? Tapno napila nga may katagiti stress. Iti ulo. Ken dagiti bulsa. Sa dinuman di ayan mo biyag ko, kaya't ko pumaken ka na ipudlo. Sikakan na yun di arapa ako, ket di kanto mapuga dito'y lagip ko. Sa dinuman di ayan mo biyag ko, kaya't kukumaken ka nga ipudno. Sikakan na yun di arapa ako, ket di kanto mapukang dito'y lagip ko. Uray pa'y aglabas ni tawe, ikariken ka nga sikalae, di ka masursuro biyak ko alipate. Uray pa'y ada ato ijay kanin. Ayan, shoutout po pala kay Insan na Trisha Tangbawan Gomez from Pampanga. Hello, good evening po dyan sa Pampanga. So, kumusta na po, Insan? Ayan, tunay na insan ko po si Ma'am Trisha Tangbawan Gomez na nasa Pampanga po. So, si Ma'am Loida Duque Binubista, sa ganun din po kay Ma'am Jackie Gose Montenegro. Magandang gabi, Nimbang Arabiyo. Sa dinuman di ayan mo biyag ko, kaya't ko pumpa ken ka nga ipuno. Sikap ka na yun di harapa ako, di ka to mapuka dito'y lagip ko. Uray pa'y aglabas itawe, ikariken ka nga sikalae, di ka masursuro biyag ko alipate. Uray pa ada akto ijay kanin. Okay. Okay, dito pa no?
I have lagnat.
Mapapatay iti sa balimet nga ba?
Pwedeng flu.
Nga kanta.
Mag-bio flu.
Tapnohan kayo nga maburing, no? Mabalin nyo nga salain, tumakder kayo. I can't stop loving you. I've made up my mind to live in memory of old love sometimes. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to see. So I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew. Though love They say that time heals a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you. I made up my mind to live in memory of Lansan time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Kung gusto nyo panoorin po ito ulit, no? Pwede nyo pong puntahan po yung YouTube channel ko. I-click nyo po yung yung kulay brown na kulay letter E para mapanood nyo po ito ulit, no? Those happy hours that we once used so long ago still make me blue. They say that time heals a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you, so I made up my mind to live in memory of old love sometimes. Ayan. So, eto. Para kada kayo ulit, no? So, nagiti mayat nga may dumngeg kin na buya, iti ray out tirabi. May kayo, tapno parparang no pa. Maawa nagiti pagka-stress mo natin. Since you've been gone, loneliness surrounds me. You'll find me waiting here, just in case you change your mind. Give me a chance, listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, yesterday I know I've been crying over you. I can't stand it no more to be left here all alone. Give chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, ayan, shoutout po pala kay Sir Peter Fabros. Sir Peter, pakadapay sa baling request niyo po. Ayan, pasensya na po, no? This the day I know I've been crying over you. I can't stand it no more to be left here all alone. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone. Ayan, shoutout ko pala kay Sir Manolito Bernales from Manabo, Abra. Kumusta na po kayo dyan sa Manabo, Abra? Matagal ko nang hindi nakita yung pangalan nyo rito, sir. Ayan, thank you po. Dahil andyan po kayo. So, pasensya na po sa mga kakantahin ko ngayon kasi kumbaga ito lang po yung mga nai-download ko.
Oh, nalimutan
Okay.
mo na naman yung vitamins mo. Ikaw talaga. Kinakate-kate. Kung saan-saan kasi nagsususuot. Tigasan mo kasi ng
Buti na lang andyan si Sir Manolito Bernales. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Zero it today that she won't come back to stay, that she only comes to be up her clothes. Zero, I must not run, that her love for me has done, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. Ay, sige po, mamaya po. Ayan, si Sir Peter, mamaya po, no? I know I must forget all the good times we had, but I know that I can't forget you. You still on my mind, and I know I can find such a girl as my sweet baby blue. Baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, Ayan, mabalin tayo sumala. Sumala kayo tap na magkadagit ni saksakit ibagbagi. Sira, it could be that she wanna come back to stay, that she only comes to be up her clothes. Sira, I must not cry that her love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. Ayan, may request ulit si Sir Peter. Okay, so tigasan po kaya si Sir Peter Fabros. Tigasan po tayo, Sir. Okay, so ito na po ang request. Ayan, pwedeng idauluan ni Sir Peter Fabros. Dahil nga kanta. Cry when you are lonely, when you know the sadness only. Let your feelings out if there's no doubt that your love has gone away. Cry, just keep on crying when there's no more hope for trying. When you crying stop, let me be the one. I will give you love more each day. Now that he's gone, my time has come to give you love every day. Cry, not for tomorrow. Goes with me, there'll be no sorrow. Not a tear to fall, but most of all, love and happiness will come our way. Cry, just keep on crying when there's no more hope on trying. When you're crying down, let me be the one to give you love more each day. When you're crying down, let me be the one to give you more each day. Si Sir Manolito Fernandez baka may request din po. Ayan. Sir Manolito, baka may kayo, request. Ayan. Mabasa yung mga lumang kanta lang po, Oh, it's crying time again. You gotta leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and that these are only rain to make love grow. When my love for you could never grow stronger, if I live to be 100 years old. Now you say that you found someone a lot better. That's the way it happened every time before. And as sure as the sun shines up tomorrow, crying time will start when you walk out the door. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh, it's crying time again, you gotta leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's... Ayan, shoutout po pala yung mga tiga Barangay Balangho pong Pinalunan, Pangasinan, si Ma'am Elizabeth, si Ma'am Maria Teresita de la Cruz Sabayan, si Ate Carolina Macner, in USA, saka po si Ma'am Lynn Cruz na nasa Dubai. Hello, good evening po. Ayan, pasensya na sa mga kakakantahin ko. Medyo nakakapagod pa pala. Ayan, punta po tayo sa kanta po ni mga Tom Jones. Sana magugustuhan niyo po. Pakishare naman po ang aking live. Ito lang muna. Wala kasing signal, no? Buti na lang meron akong i-download. Kasi kapag wala kang signal, ibig sabihin, kapag meron kang i-download, magkakaroon ka ng music. Wala na yata. Please, please. Ayan guys. Napakaswerte naman. Swerte, malas. Ito meron. Oh. Ayan, ito na lang po, no? Pasensya na. Ayan, magandang gabi ulit sa lahat po na nanonood sa aking live. Ray out, Rabi. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender, pretending that I'm doing well. My need is such, I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender, adrift in a world of my own. I play the game, but to my real shame, you've left me to grieve all alone, pretending that you're still around. Too real is this feeling of make-believe. Too real when I feel what my heart can conceive. Ay, thank you po. Huh? Wow, sana po maging totoo po kayo, Sir Peter Fabros. Kaya nga sana po may makaka-discover po, no? Para oh yes, I'm the great pretender, just laughing and gay like a clown. I seem to be what I'm not, you see. I'm wearing my heart like a crown, pretending that you're still around. Too real is this feeling of make-believe. Too real when I feel what my heart can conceive. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender, just laughing and gay like a crowd. I seem to be what I'm not, you see. I'm wearing my heart like a crown, pretending that you're still around. Thank you, Sir Peter Fabros, sa comment po. Sana mabibigyan po ako ng chance po. Please, release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To waste our love would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. I have found a new loving, and I will always want her near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me and let me love again. Ayan, so thank you sa lahat po na nanonood ngayong gabi. So, yung mga gustong manood, yung mga gustong makinig sa mga kanta ko, pwede. Pwedeng sumayaw yung mga gustong sumayaw, guys. Thank you, Sir Peter Fabros, sa mga comment nyo po. Sana maging angel po kayo. Please release me. Can't you see? You'd be a fool to cling to me. To live our lives would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. Sana meron nito. Ayan. Ayun, shout out po pala kay Ma'am Diana Rose Peralta Reputula from Barangay ano ba? Alata Alcala, Cagayan. Ganon din po kay Sir Mark Esgalo. I'm going back to Massachusetts. Something's telling me I must go home. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts the day I left her standing on her own. Tried to hitch a ride to San Francisco. Go down to the things I wanna do. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts. They brought me back to see my way with you. Ayan, hello Mark Esgalo, saka si Ma'am Diana Rose Peralta. Mabalin nyo tagsala. Sila kanyak ni sanak. Napno maawan nagiti saksakit iti pulsa. about the land in Massachusetts. Speak about the people I have seen and the lights on when out in Massachusetts. And Massachusetts is one place I see. Okay, so ayan, magandang gabi sa lahat na nanonood. Ayan, lalong-lalo po kay Sir Peter Fabros. Sir, hello. Ano to? Meron po akong YouTube. Paki-search lang po yung Tony Tangbawan sa YouTube. Tapos, paki-click po yung kulay brown na letter T. Ando doon po lahat yung mga kanta ko, yung mga live in singing ko. Gabi-gabi po. So, eto, mamaya po, i-ano ko sa YouTube channel ko. Okay, sa mga baguhan po, every 6:30 p.m. hanggang 7:45 p.m. ang aking pagla-live in singing. Okay, so thank you sa lahat po na nanood ngayong gabi, May 7, 2026 po. Thank you, and good night, everyone. Thank you for watching. Yung mga tiga Palangubong, Pinalunan, Pangasinan, thank you sa lahat po.